everyone. Your Auntie T is here again for another beautiful teaching section. I'm glad to be here. And please kindly take your writing material because we are going to do some calculations together today, which we are going to enjoy together. You can see on the board, I have some questions written on the board already. The question that involves the proton, calculations involving proton, electron, and neutron numbers. And I also have some of the white questions that we're going to solve together, where they ask us to calculate for neutron, electron, proton, and even mass number. But that is what we have. But please kindly share, subscribe, and view my YouTube channel. God bless you as you do so. So, last previous knowledge we look at classification, types of elements. I mentioned 6 types of elements for you, and I remember I also mentioned classification of elements, which is metal, semi-metal, metalloid, and also non-metals. And I remember I explained metals, that metals are elements which ionize by electron loss. And when they ionize, they have a positive charge. And that positive charge is called cations. I hope you still remember cations. And I told you guys that non-metals, they are elements that they ionize by electron gain. And when they ionize, they have a negative charge. They receive electron. The electron acceptor. And once they do that, they are called non-metal. So today we are going to be looking at some calculations whereby they ask us to calculate the proton, the neutron, and the electron number. You can see determine the number of proton, electron, and neutron in the following elements. We have the first one is A. Who can remember these elements? This element S is what we call as sulfur, and it's having the atomic number of what? 16. I showed that atomic number is written as a subscript, and it's having the mass number of 32. So let's have it 32 and 16. So we have to calculate, and it's having a charge. This charge means is to receive 2 electrons to have a complete octet structure. So we now ask us to determine the proton number, the electron, and the neutron number. So let's do the first one, A. There we have S1632. We call it solution. Solution. So 2 minus. So you remember I told you guys that proton number is the same as what? Atomic number as well as electron number. It's the same as atomic number. How do we get our neutron number? Neutron number is when you subtract your atomic number from your mass number. So let's do the first one. Let's look at the proton number first. For this element, proton number equals to what? Atomic number. And atomic number here is what? 16. So that means our proton number equals to what? 16. So that's the answer for the proton number. So let's move to the electron number for this particular element, sulfur. Electron number. Now, atomic number is same as electron number and what? Proton number. But in the case of you having a charge, your element is having a charge, it's going to affect the electron number. And now look at the elements given to you. Is it receiving or is it what? Is it giving it out? But looking at this element, I tell you guys that this is a non-metal. Because non-metal, when non-metal receive an electron, they become negatively charged. So we are going to have electron number will now be equal to what? What's our atomic number? That will be 16. How many charge is this element receiving? That is what? That is 2. That will be 16 plus, because it's receiving. That's why it becomes negative. 16 plus 2, which is what? 18. I hope it's clear. So because it's receiving 2 electrons, we're going to add it to what is our atomic number to have our normal electron number. The reason why we have it to be like this is because the element given is having a charge. Assuming the element is not having a charge, it's just our electron number is going to be 16. Let's look at the neutron number. Neutron number. Neutron number is what? That will be what? Mass number minus what? Atomic number. Good. So what is our mass number here from these elements? The mass number here is what? 32. And the atomic number is what? 16. So that will be what? So we have 32 minus 16. So our neutron number is what? That is 16. I hope you get it. Is that clear? That's lovely. So let's go to the other part, the B part of it. Let's see how to solve this one. So the B is what? Calcium. Remember, our element is calcium, having the atomic number of 20, the mass number of 40, and is having a charge of +2. Good. We have to calculate the proton number. You should be able to do this together with me. Proton number equals to what? Atomic number. Which is equal to what? What's the atomic number? 20. Good. So our answer here is 20 for proton number. So what is the electron number? Electron number. Now, this is another question. Look at this element. It's different from the first element we have in here. This one is becoming positive, is a metal. Because when metal give out electron, they become positively charged. And this charge, you're going to show it the way you are calculating for electron number. So it's giving out 2 electrons. So electron number will now be equal to what? The atomic number, which is what? 20 minus how many electrons is giving out? 2. Minus what? Minus 2. Which is equal to what? 18. I hope I'm communicating. That's lovely. So the next one is what? Our neutron number. Neutron number. Our neutron number is what? Just to remember, that is what? Mass number. Number minus what? Atomic number. So what's our mass number here? Our mass number here is 40. That is 40 minus what? 20. So the answer for our neutron number is what? 20. You can see. So look at the electron number for both of them. This one is receiving 2. So that's why we have this what? Our atomic number. And because this one is giving out 2, that's why we subtract from the normal atomic number to be our electron number to have it in this form. So let's look at the third one. The third one, which is C. I hope you've copied this right. Good. So let's look at the third one, the C. Our C, I'm coming. Keep it together. Okay, good. So the C, we have Al. Please kindly remind me of this element having the symbol of Al. Is what? Aluminium. Thank you. So now, what will determine the proton number here? Proton number, same thing. Our proton number equals to what? That is, let's see, proton number is what? Atomic number. And what is our atomic number here? It's 13. The answer is 13. So the next one is electron number.